So I have finally had it and decided to tear into this. I've got a 94 Ford F-150 4x4. It's got the air conditioning. It's got the towing package. So my problem has been forever. This thing's got about 200,000 miles on it. It's an Alaskan and a Montana truck. My problem has been this washer, which sits down here, which holds the bottom of the leaf spring. You've got this nut. Well, the nut had backed off, and as you go down the road, this thing just rattles and rattles. And I got this about 100,000 miles, so I've put about 100,000 on it. Well, evidently someone's attempt to try to resolve this issue was to put silicone under here. The rattling is just terrible. So anyway, I decided, what the hell, I'm going to tear it apart. And I should have, I ordered all new parts. I ordered the new dampeners for the bottom. You can see here, this one's kind of worn. I got new nuts for it. It's a different size than this. What I should have done from these people here is I should have got the new stud. As you can see, the stud's kind of stripped away. Well, rather than wait a week, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just get a bigger bolt, stick it on top of here, and then I'll put the new one, I'll tighten the new one down, and that should resolve my issue. My issue. So if you've got a rattling front end and you can't find it, because it took me forever to find this, check this out right there. This washer that holds your coil spring down. Mine has been just doing this forever, and it will drive you nuts. So check it out. Might be a problem that you've got. Okay, well, I got it all back together, and here's what I found. This washer is supposed to sit on here. You see how it's bottomed out right here? It's going to always leave play in this coil spring. So it's, when you go over a bump, it's going to bump into that. So what I have done is I went ahead and went to the hardware store, and I went and got me a washer. And then I'm going to turn this upside down like yay, and that'll center it, and that's going to hold this coil spring from bouncing up and down. And yeah, I think that's going to fix the problem. I don't know what the story is and why there's play in that. There shouldn't be play in this coil spring. So anyway, we'll get that together and give her a test run, and then we'll do the other side. Okay, so this is just a follow-up. I'm doing the passenger side here. Just a few tips. Definitely need some jack stands. I'd get a good jack. Actually, I did the driver's side and that jack sucks. I went to Walmart. 3-ton garage jack, 114 bucks. Works excellent. Anyway, just a few tips here. That nut right there, and that nut and bolt, I PB blasted that for about 10 days straight, because I've been in here before, and I know what these cars and trucks can be like being up north. And so yeah, I soaked this here, that down there, and there's the 4 things you got to do. The other thing is a lot of these videos will show you having to use a impact, and I was prepared. I'm doing this on a Saturday, and if I had to, I'd go rent one. But I'm finding this works really well. It you know, I've got a cheater bar if I needed, but this worked pretty good. What else can I say? I guess that's about it. The other side, it quieted right up. I took it for a test drive, and then I got some bushings in here I'm going to have to replace, but that cut down the noise 30%. And if it does another 30 here, I'm looking good. So anyway, I'm going to end this video. You can do this out in the street like I'm doing. Doesn't take nothing special. This is the stuff that I'm using right here. Time? About an hour, really. It's hot today. I'm taking breaks, but yeah. Anyway, hope you got something out of this. See ya.